Is your blood pressure reading making you feel even more stressed? Let's ditch the guesswork and get you set up with your CVS Health blood pressure monitor for accurate readings in under 2 minutes. First, unbox your CVS Health blood pressure monitor. You should find the monitor itself, the arm cuff, and an instruction manual. Keep that handy. Most models require batteries, so locate the battery compartment, usually on the back or bottom of the monitor. Insert the batteries according to the polarity markings inside the compartment, which indicate the correct direction for the positive and negative ends. Once the batteries are in, the monitor should power on. Next, connect the air hose from the arm cuff to the designated port on the monitor. You'll usually hear a click or feel a secure connection. Now for the crucial part, positioning the cuff. Sit comfortably with your back supported and your feet flat on the floor. Slide the cuff onto your bare upper arm, positioning the bottom edge about 1 inch above your elbow. Make sure the artery mark on the cuff lines up with your brachial artery, which is on the inside of your elbow. Tighten the cuff so you can slip just 2 fingers underneath. Finally, remain still and silent. Press the start button on the monitor. The cuff will inflate, then slowly deflate. The monitor will display your blood pressure and pulse rate. Record your results and consult with your healthcare provider for proper interpretation. That's it. Regular monitoring is key to managing your health. Now you can take control, one reading at a time.